Good morning, beautiful. Oh, shit.
I just find it so hard to shake my drawers.
How'd that can you hear me?
Yeah.
How'd that toothbrush feel?
Oh, God. I put it down my throat to make sure I can get, my esophagus and shit.
Okay, 9:38. Depending on how the audio is picked up from you on the phone, I might have to chop it up and make it sound better. I'm gonna turn the volume down while you're doing this because you sound like fucking.
No,
Okay, there we go. Yeah, with the sync running and you doing all that background noise, it sounded like fucking shit. Oh. Chuddy. Okay, we got 3 minutes till market opens. Need to kind of. Well, I'm not gonna hurry up too much. I'm just gonna keep the same pace so that it keeps me from doing something irrational. Okay, pre say hi. So yes. Okay, and we got previously low was taken. We do have Asian high low. Oh shit. Right here. Far from these draws, so it already looks kind of better to be down here. We'll see what happens with that. I think it's going to be the same thing, almost the same thing over here. We got, okay. Gosh darn it. Previous day high. Asian low. Asian high was taken over. Oh, wait, maybe not. Let's see. So we actually do have Asian high. So Asian high actually lines up. It's an equal high with London, okay. Interesting. So I'll keep that there. And then we got London low down here. Okay, market's open. Ah, so London is close to there. Oh, see, I guess when you look at it, you zoom in, we're not that far from those ranges. All right, let me check the 4 hour, get this all set up, see what trend we're in. Okay, uptrend. Have we broken into a downtrend at all? No, we have not. Okay, so we are in an uptrend. Looks really fucking bunched up right there. Now on MES, on the other hand, we are in a downtrend as of that candle, but we're gonna figure it out. Yeah, we're gonna figure it out.
Come to me first, Papa.
Ooh, me. Ooh, me. Okay, so MNQ uptrend, MES downtrend. Interesting. We have a 4 hour up here. We have one up here. We have one down here that's already there, and then we got one there, and then we got one there. Okay. So this could be wanting to get inversed here. It's filling more of that. And this has already been inversed. This is in the downtrend. Okay. Okay. Not good. Low 26175. So that didn't break structure. This is about to though, it looks like, and then we got same thing here, it's trying to break. So we got this 1 hour low that's currently being taken. This is kind of funky looking. I am open to the shorts, but I need to get a full bias here before I say anything else. So this gap's being filled. If we inverse it, that'd be, if we inverse that, that'd be good.
I'm gonna drop things real quick.
Alright. This is already in the downtrend. We came up here, swept this high out. We're coming back down. Okay, so that could be in our favor. So downtrend, we inversed and broke into a downtrend at the same time. Came back up, have this high, did not break into an uptrend, swept it. We're coming back below London. So because of that, and because of this being filled, I could be open to the shorts. Let's just make that clear. I could be open to it here. I could be open to it under this, to this 4 hour draw, and I could be open to it in the proper, at the proper range, anywhere under London to these draws here. Now, am I open to the longs? Well, possibly, but I'm really not leaning towards them because we're getting more and more distance away from these draws here, and depending on how this looks, how many ticks a sweep would be back to the top. Oh, that's quite a bit. And then, I mean, unless we were in this range, and that's still above average for an MNQ move. Like, I don't like to go over 300 ticks. So with that being said, the further we get down towards these, the less and less I want to take a long. And I don't want to disrespect MES's trend necessarily unless I had very good reason to. So now, same thing with this here. The further we get away, you know, if we were back up in this region, this is an okay move. Like, that's fine. 54, I'm not worried about that. And then even, like, not that this would be your first TP, Asian high would be, but if we were to go all the way from here to here, that's still right above the average of MES. Like, what we consider, like, I don't know, anywhere from, like, 30 to 100 ticks. Not that it can't move more in a day. We just like these movements. Like 30 to 100 ticks is like a good range for MES. And then anywhere from like 70 to like 300 on MNQ is cool. So now, before I get too far into discussing the longs here, I don't think I'm gonna want it at all. So I'm gonna want some shorts. Now, now the only thing is, can we find a proper entry? And we do have plenty of evenly stacked draws here. That's cool. And no continuation yet. None here yet. Okay.
You never take a shit and then you start digging your fingers in your butt.
Yeah.
Shit feels so good.
Okay, we got a 4 hour there. And let's see if we have any other hourlies. We do. We have one here. Okay. And then on top of the bias for the 4 hours for the shorts, guys, also the 1 hour too. There's a lot of bearish pressure. It looks like we're definitely going to break into a downtrend. I know, and again, a lot can happen in 22 minutes, but with a candle like this, I'd be more confident that's going to happen versus something else. We have a lot of stuff we can inverse here, and it looks like it's trying to take out some more trend liquidity. So I'm pretty much only open to the shorts. That is it. And like I said, the further and further away I get from those top draws, the less I want to take a trade. So now, here we go with some continuation possibly on MNQ, although the range is not going to be, I guarantee you, it's not going to be enough. I lied? That's not, I'm cool on that though. That's just way too, no, okay, never mind. Excuse me. Yeah, that's impossible. Okay. If only that draw was a little bit further away. Let's see what the 15 minutes looking like. Okay, 15 minutes respecting this gap here for the most, for now. We are already in a downtrend there. Already in a downtrend here. Okay, 5 minute, same thing, respecting this. Oh, respecting that, big time, swap some liquidity out right there at that high. It's in a downtrend, that's good. Same thing here, respecting this gap. So more continuation, downtrend, blah, blah, blah. So we could just get some damn continuation with a proper range. MES doesn't have a gap yet that it's been that it can tap into. So that kind of blows.
Oh, shit.
You ever thought of buying an exotic animal to lick your balls?
No, I got my dog to do that.
Which dog?
I'm talking about you, bro.
Hey, hey, yo, chill. Oh, bro, where's continuation at?
Gear 6 supposed to come out this year.
Let me check news again real quick. Yeah. Well, we got a 10 right here too. What's on the chart? Ooh, the factory orders. Month on month. And wholesale inventories. Oh, shit. You good?
I just ripped part of my skin off.
Mm.
Getting stronger every day.
Okay, we just took this 4-hour draw.
Come on, let me go.
Bum, 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 bum. Give me continuation.
Unless you butt booty naked, I want to see that dick twerking. D working. E working.
D working. Hey, hey. Okay.
Oh, I see boys in
We have a very small gap here. Do I like that? I mean, it's a gap. Let's see what it would look like with this on it. Yeah. That would work. $157. Holy fuck. Okay. Can't enter on that. Ugh, you little shit. Dude. If it takes all the draws, it's a no trade day. This is fucking something. Come on.
show me some real nigga, dude.
Okay.
Where we landing at?
Did you? Is that from? Where'd you get that from? I'm just take it. Tell me where you heard that from.
I just had a stroke. Fucking Fortnite and also what's that kid's name?
Yeah, he was hanging
What's
on
his
the
name?
Lacey, I think.
Yeah.
He was hanging on the monkey bars, and he was like, "Where we landing at?"
Where we landing? Oh, goofy ass like
He's, his boy before he was like, "Don't you dare!" And he was like, "Where we landing?"
Where we landing at? But come on, press action, give us continuation.
Please.
Stone Cold Steve Austin. Oh yeah, I'm planning to be WWE.
Okay. Planning to be a WWE what? Mascot? Like, what the fuck are you talking about?
Oh, so I can go right in there and slap my butt, and my special move is gonna be I'm just gonna jiggle my butt in their face.
If you think about it, because WWE is not real fighting. It's just two big sweaty men just throwing themselves at each other.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna fucking, my special move is I'm gonna clap my ass on the enemy.
Where do I sign up?
Yeah. You wanna be my opposition, baby?
Come on, give us something. Please.
Where we landing at?
There's a gap right there, please.
Where we landing at?
Can't even take that either. This is a fucking first TP. What the fuck's going on? This is something else. Okay. There are no other. The draws are too far down to there. This would be the next 4 hour right here. Holy fucking shit. And the next 1 hour would be where? Well. Okay, I guess it's possible. I don't want to chase a trade all day, but okay, so we do have these we could enter on if the market just keeps tanking. How many ticks is this? This is a little over average for MES for sure. That we like, but if it comes down to here, it wouldn't be, and then we could enter. So that would be a possibility. As for MNQ, the next 4 hours down here, and then also down here. And then for our 1 hours, they match up the same with the 4. This is something fucking else, boys. Okay, no gaps to be tapped into there. We do have one here. And we'd be hoping on that final draw to be taken down there that hasn't been tapped yet, so the entry would have to look something like this, which is doable if it's right about there. But I want it to close like, it's not even, that'd be like the bare fucking minimum would be like right there. It would have to, how many contracts would that be? 29. Excuse me. 29. It would be hick, so I would just do 5. But it's going to inverse it. Okay. We have one more gap. And the entry would look like somewhat like this. We could do an exact 1 to 3 if it went there. That I would be comfortable with. Especially because at this point with where price would be at least it would give us more of a range, like, to not be stopped out. Because like those other couple trades that you could have lined up, and then if it would have played out, I still would have taken it because of the risk to reward would have been fine, and the bias is the bearish, the short, bearish trade, whatever. Although, it's one of those trades you can get stopped out a lot quicker. Okay, this is going to be what I was saying, 40. Okay, about to do 5 contracts short on MES.
Order
right now.
filled.
Okay, filled.
Yep.
Order filled.
Stop is
So your stop?
69.9525.
How many goes in the first TP?
I'm gonna do 4. I'd like to get more contracts out than anything, and then I'm gonna put one runner all the way down to 69.2175. The first TP is 69.7225.
You're in on 5, you said?
Yeah.
Hold on. Trying to enter my live now. Stop is 699525. And then first TP is what?
69.7225.
7225. And how many are you closing?
4.
Okay, cool. Just want to make sure I'm not autistic. So, stop is 699525.
Mm-hmm.
Take profit TP1 697225, and you're closing 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
And then that final contract is down there at 692175.
What's your? Sorry, what?
The final contract is at 692175
Okay.
for now. Bom, 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 bom.
Don't worry about setting that when we get lower. I have to show you one day on setting the live, and then so you can try to get used to that a little bit.
Yeah.
It's just different than the funding. So I'll let you trade on my live one day. Don't worry about it. I'll just let you trade on it so you can see like the stock just for one day, or like actually we can do it after market. One day, like after we trade, so you can just enter on like one contract. So like
something
yeah.
really like low risk. Something.
Yeah. That's why if we do happen to lose, it'd be like $10-20. I'm just
Yeah. Okay, about to go tap this limit here. 3, 2, 11.
What's your entry price? I forgot to ask.
698525.
8525.
698525.
Yeah, I got a little bit of better entry than me today.
Barrel.
Are you break even?
About to be.
Let me know when you do.
I'm break
Order
even
filled.
now. I'm break even now. 6985 flat.
That I've got to move a little differently because mine didn't get filled the best on either of these, unfortunately.
Okay.
So I'm probably gonna stop break even before you do type shit.
Nah. Trust the way this price action's moving, we're just gonna keep tanking.
Oh.
Nah, we're really overextended, so we'll see.
There we go.
I'm about to get fucking. Don't stop me, please. Okay, this was already in. Yeah, MES was already in a downtrend here. What's this one looking like? Oh boy. Definitely breaking into a downtrend on MNQ on the 4 hour. 1 hour already. That's taking out a lot of tranquility. Yeah. A
I'm about to
target.
stop break even.
Me too. See what happens. I'm hoping we can sit through this little retrace. This 1 minute retrace though, because the higher time frames haven't had a proper retrace yet. So hopefully we get more range down underneath of these draws, and then we can sit through a separate retrace. But we'll see. It's probably not going to happen.
Oh, my stock got filled on my live.
On your live, what about your funded?
I'm about to be hit on it.
Order filled.
Just tap on it.
Okay, you're out on everything?
Yeah.
It's gonna keep going to the floor for me.
Yeah, watch it.
Watch this, watch this, watch this. Boosh. Make sure we're still recording here. Yup. Unfortunately, I was not able to get in for tie-tie. He's got to get his shit together ASAP.
Yeah.
That was an inverse. Right there.
I'm gonna see 5 big booty niggas twerking.
Yeah. Think about it.
You know what I'm talking about.
Hey. Okay, so as you can see, 1 to 1.3. So that was our risk to reward pretty much. And it was basically, my entry was basically right at, yeah, it was literally right at my middle ground for my short position there, where you see the gray meet the blue. It was, and actually, let's even be more precise. Let me click on the inputs here. Where is this at? Entry 6-9. Yeah. 698525, and that's exactly where my entry here is showing. So right on the fucking money. That's good. So that means it was an exact 1 to 1.3 for me. I didn't get a bad fill. You said you got a little bit of a better entry though.
No, I got a worse injury because I didn't.
Worse entry.
You told me you were like I didn't understand what you were saying.
Oh.
It's a little choppy. You were like, I'm about to fill. And then I was like, are you in? You were like, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So you gotta tell me a little bit. Be like, yeah, I'm filling right now.
I'll do a quick countdown next time, like 3, 2, 1 or something. If I have to,
Yeah.
if I have to do it fast or some shit. Once I get down to, let's see, so I'm at 2. Let me do this.
Well, the Fed's trying to call me. Hey. Well, the Fed's ringing. Hey, you just take it out.
So 145 basically for that, and then this would be 250. So 150 to 250 would be the difference of that. Soon as I have enough movement down here, I'm gonna move my stop to where I can at least make 400 if it stops me out, and then as soon as I can move it down to a $500 day, I'll be doing that. I'm almost at the point, well, where price sits, I'm floating almost enough to where it would be 400 for the day, but that does not mean I can move my stop there yet. It has to go a bit further than that, which it's doing. If I can get some more movement like we got here, and we're only 130, basically 136 ticks away from where price sits to our next draw, so that's not that bad. If we can just keep getting candle movements like this down to that range, I'll be super good. Super good. So 10 o'clock news came out on that candle. Keep it pushing. Yeah, yawn like that again for me.
Yeah, stick it in me.
Okay, let's just leave this gap behind. What I mean by leave it behind is not even tap into it. You see we have this gap here? I just want it to stay right where price is at and then just continue to drop all the way down here. Sometimes when you're already in a trade, that's better where you just leave something behind. Because it's either going to keep going in that direction or it'll tap into it and show continuation. But if it does tap into it, keep going down. If it doesn't, awesome. Just leave it behind. Come on, player.
Big niggas in my restaurant. Show me that dick, keep this booty up.
So 1 hours, both 1 hours closed very nicely. Both 4 hours closed very nicely, and MNQ went into a downtrend on the 4 hour. 15 minutes, everything is again a bit overextended, but everything is showing just nothing but movement to the downside. We are looking good. Very shortly I will be set to make at least 400 on the day. And now where price sits, after we've gotten all this movement, we are only about 100 ticks away from this final TP here. But what I'll do is, again, with this movement being so much, like we just keep, like today's nothing but a fucking downtrend. I'll move this even further if I can, which I will be able to. And I can move my take profit down, move my stop down with it. So actually, like when we get to about here, where you see this bottom of this price range bar, I'll take this and move this down to there, down to this draw here.
If you strip this dick up, eat this dick up.
Gobble gobble.
Bunch of fucking bunch of. Really coming to thick. You're set to 400?
Not yet, no.
No, okay.
I needed it to be like a decent amount further away to where I could like have some more room.
Quick chat.
What? Quick chat. What?
I was gonna say something nuts.
I'm sure you were.
Quick chat.
So.
I think it's in the comments. Dudes only.
Okay. So this right here, if someone wanted to enter, this is technically another entry of continuation.
Line it up?
Yeah. Now, I personally prefer a bullish candle being the retrace that taps into a bearish continuation, and then did I say that right? Yeah, I usually prefer a bullish candle while in a, like when I'm looking for bearish continuation, I like the bullish candle to be the retrace into my bearish continuation, and then the black candle following my down candle, that being the push out of the retrace. But something like this, with the way that you're like, if your bias is so strong and the trend's been nothing but this all day, and you have a good range to that draw down there, you could enter on this. And that's 71, so that's 2 contracts. And you could enter, like, technically right now you could enter if you wanted, but if I wanted to enter, I'd probably wait till like this candle close, and I'd probably enter around that price maybe, or like where I had it the first time where it said, let me take this magnet off, like 1 to 1.53 would be okay for me if you wanted to enter on that. And then your first TP would be down there. You could take out contracts here if you want, put some down there. And that also goes with your intuition too. If you think that this right here doesn't look good to you because of the way the candles are closing or something or whatever, you might not enter on it. Like I would need a really nice candle close, something cleaner than this. So this actually I might have not have entered on. I wanted it to be a little bit like this retrace, cool, but then like one nice candle close out would have been a lot nicer looking.
Let me know in the comments, chat.
Hey,
Appreciate that, chat.
Natural gas storage, 1030. Yellow folder.
I'm a bit worried about that shit. Trying to push you back down, that's all.
Yeah.
Remember when we used to do that? We used to look for anything to push us back down. We'd be like,
come on, bro, please.
They would say like, it'd be nothing. Can't even think of an example. It'd be like fucking.
Cause it'd be invisible. It'd be something we'd be like, please.
We look at nothing and we're like, yeah, bro, fuck yeah.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Fuck yeah.
Let's get the movement.
Oh.
I like to move it.
Oh, he likes to move it. He likes to move it. Tell the nigga crack his dick off.
run. Start barking at the screen. Here, hold on, let me, yeah. Let me pull out some fucking mean shit. Where's it at? Hold on. I know it's in here somewhere. Aha. Boink, 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 boink. Yeah, boink, 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 boink. Can you guess what I'm doing?
I'm scared.
Boink, 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 boink. What do you think I have on my screen right now?
Probably a hammer.
Boink, 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 boink.
Start putting devil emojis on that bitch.
Okay. I don't think that'll help.
It's gonna help, bro. It's gonna help bad. It's gonna help real good.
Stop talking like that.
It's gonna help fucking amazing.
Look what's happening. It's all your fault.
It's gonna help amazing, bro. It's gonna fucking... It's gonna help amazing, bro. It's gonna fucking...
Little consoli dolly right now.
Before this big push down on this candle.
Facts. Facts.
I know you're seeing what I'm seeing. The big booty buster. The big booty buster. Chad, let me know if you see it in the comments.
Chat, let me know, chat.
Chad, just let me know, Chad.
Cha cha cha. Big old push
This
down.
candle's gonna bring us to the fucking floor. Watch this.
I do want the next couple candles to like engulf all of this stuff here. That would be nice. Yeah, baby.
It's about to on this candle. Can you not see what I see?
Yeah, I see
big
it.
Trump niggas twerking.
Yeah, I see it.
Come on, bro. Use your brain. What are you, retarded?
Bro, come on, bro. Where's Powell at when you need him? I just need, literally all I would need him to do is walk towards the podium. That's it.
Yeah,
And then walk away.
I just want to see niggas twerking. Except just me. Silly me.
Silly goose.
Come on, bro. I want to see men twerking. Come on.
Yeah, I'll shout out your dating apps. What do you? I can let the people know if you're on eHarmony or Tinder or Bumble.
Dudes only.
Dudes only.
Dudes only.
What's the age range? Don't do, yeah.
60 to 70.
60 to 70 plus. All right, cool.
Only dudes. Dudes only.
I should have known better to ask that question. As soon as I said it, I was like, oh fuck.
Yeah. That's where my mind went immediately. I was like,
Oh shit.
I was like, oh shit. Who's gonna block me? Let me know in the comments, chat.
Engulf this. Come on, player.
Takes us to the floor. What did I tell you? I'm fucking good.
Alright, so I'm gonna, just in case it starts shooting down, I'm gonna move my final take profit to 68.8025, and very shortly I'm gonna be trailing that $400 range I'd like to look for to make $400 a day.
You're retarded. Me personally, fucking, I'm bull booty naked.
That's fire.
I'm bull booty naked staring at the chart. That's just me, that. That's just me, that.
Check OBS. How long have we been recording for? 49 minutes. Not too bad. it's got some more continuation right here. Can tap into. Just leave it behind. Come on, bro. Just
That's what I'm
leave it.
talking about.
Just leave it. You don't need it that bad. All right. Well, whatever. Now go back down.
What's it being pussy for?
That's what I'm saying. Now here's another one, boys and girls. You could, if you like this enough, and the risk reward is okay, you could also enter on this.
Huge Darren candle followed by 4 niggas dancing in their booty butt. Yeah.
So right at about 69.41.50, you could technically enter on that if you wanted to. I'm keeping this gap here that we're already working away from, because that gives me a what's it called, a range of where I need to move my stuff to. Hold on, I'm getting a knock at the front door. I'll be right back. I don't know if they caught that, but
Who gives a fuck? Don't be knocking on the door while you naked in your trousers. Unless you want to give a fuck, so. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, I see what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying?
Sorry, people. Someone was knocking at my front door.
It's the male stripper I ordered.
Hey.
Someone tell these dudes they don't need to knock, they can just barge in. Start taking off clothes.
Start stripping down.
I ordered the one that's full naked, so you get dingling in your face.
How fucking wonderful.
Oh.
Okay, let's show some respect off this gap and equilibrium, by the way.
Let's see dudes twerking in their drawers. Show me dudes twerking in their drawers.
Show me. Yep, good. Respect off of those things for me, Papa. Okay, that was fucked. Come on, brother. There we go. Get a nice close in there. That's not bad. Ooh.
What's your account balance now? Oh, no.
I'm not gonna say that. Yeah.
Show me dudes talking. Sorry, I was talking about AI.
Your AI. Wow, interesting.
Not so long. Someone let me know in the fucking comments while I'm butt fucking booty naked.
What game are you playing today?
Marvel Rivals. You ever played this?
I think you had me playing that one time.
It's cat. You never played this shit because you're a fucking goofy ass little lame boy.
Wasn't it that one you jump around with this little retarded superheroes and try and kill each other?
Yeah.
Yeah, games for autists.
It's for autistic people, but you don't play it. It hits my autism readers.
Fair enough.
Someone let me know in the chat if you got booty naked or not. And if you are, let me know why. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. What would this be right here? That would be...
I haven't played this game in so long.
$97.50. Hold on.
I'm trying to get good at the game again. I mean, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Where the dudes at? Sorry, I was talking about AI. Where the men at? Sorry, once again, AI.
Once again, AI. I don't know if I believe you anymore, but...
You talking about AI talking about it. You tripping. I'm not even like that for real. And boning. What was the show you used to watch when you were a kid?
You said what?
What shows did you watch when you were a kid, like cartoons and shit?
Like what age range? Are we talking like really young cartoons?
No, like Cartoon Network and shit.
I can't even remember, to be honest with you. You'd have to like you'd have to name stuff off to me, and I'd know in my head if I watched it or not. But I can't just come off the dome and.
Like Mordecai and a regular show.
Regular show, yeah.
What's the other one I'm thinking of?
You just name them off, and I'll tell you, because I can't remember that shit.
Adventure Time.
Yeah.
They're fucking goofy, bro. I'm never watching that shit. Only lame boys watch fucking.
Bullshit, you didn't.
Bro, I grew up watching fucking people.
Okay.
You talking about man up, bro.
Man up.
Man up, bro.
For
Man
sure.
Man up by watching that.
Did we inverse this? We did not. No. No. Go back down.
Where's your stop at?
I moved it down a bit more again. 69, 67, 25 because in a big enough, like the fact that we're so overextended in a big enough retrace, it might come up to my stop anyway and stop me out at the right at my entry pretty much. And I'd rather secure more. So.
How much would you be up on the day if it hit that?
Where I have it now?
Mm-hmm.
Right about 350.
Nice. So I gotta check on that dick, bro. Should never gonna camp in this fucking future Ralph. Who's that?
Come on, bro, think about it.
I went camping by Boy Scout. What are you talking about, bro? Or my scout leader?
What?
Aren't you in the Boy Scouts?
Say again?
Aren't you in the Boy Scouts?
Yeah, for some period of time, for like
Goofy little boy.
Yeah, I was a little goofy dude when I was in Boy Scout. I was doing the little, what were they doing?
Austin was in Boy Scouts too.
Yeah, they did the little car races, you know. I still have that thing somewhere. I built my little car. I think it's in my shop.
You're fucking goofy.
Okay. You're just fucking pissed you missed out on your fucking childhood Boy Scouts experience.
Fuck you.
Hey, they touched me in there.
I was in that shit,
I became a different person.
I was in the shit in elementary school where you were a badass little kid. It's called 5,000 Role Models. Badass little boy that's fucking
trying to beat on people.
Yeah, there was a boy only thing and they were like, what you mean? And you had to wear like a suit and tie. Like,
oh fuck. Sounds like hell.
Not a suit and tie, but like a dress.
A what?
You have to like dress up like
oh, you said
shirt.
That's two different things. You said dress up versus you had to wear a dress. Oh,
I
shit.
wore whatever I could get my hands on.
I had to wear a dress because I had a stick.
Yeah, like I had my stick all the time. I don't need a dress.
Because I had a stick. Thugger. Shout out
Like, what are you
Thugger.
talking about? What are you talking about?
Shout out Thugger. He gives me the confidence to wear a dress in my everyday life. I walk outside in a dress just because.
I walk outside, but would be naked because they'd be looking at me.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck is wrong with you? Okay, I have my stop now at 695525, which is a little closer than I'd like it, but that would guarantee me
695525.
that would guarantee me 400, a little over 400 on the day. 222.
I got 40 dudes ready to rock and roll in my pussy.
Yeah, come on now. Think about it.
But I have no idea how to play this game anymore. I'm so old. Is your final TP at 692025?
No, 688025.
Oh, you're crazy. You're fucking nuts, dude. You're fucking crazy, dude. Come eat this ass up.
Come on, get past that 250 mark on my float so I can fucking move it down there. Oh.
was gonna deny me my honor. Every time this real shit. The first time I hit my fucking thing, what the fuck?
Okay, guys, as soon as we tap these draws, I'm gonna move my stop down again. Bow.
40 dudes talking in my face, they know what's up.
Yeah.
I'm rocking with the bolt cocks at bolt. I'm rocking with the bolt cock action.
Okay, we got more continuation we can follow here. Price action. Rapid price action. Let's do it, MES. Yeah, baby.
Okay. Yeah, it's fucking home officer. The fuck?
I plead the fifth. Now what?
I'm just gonna follow you home and start oiling you up and
Okay. That doesn't sound legal. I didn't know people could do that.
I'm gonna follow you home and start oiling you up and fucking watching you sleep and shit.
Don't threaten me with a good time.
Yeah.
Alright, almost at that point. Come on, people. We're only 20 or 18 ticks away from this, and 20, basically 24, 20, yeah, 24 from that one. Oh. Come on, chat. Think about it, chat.
Let me know in the comments, too. Should I get bumping and make him start kicking his ass off or not?
So where would 250 would be here? I'm just gonna do it now because we're gonna tap these fuckers. So probably get them on this candle or the next.
What's your P&L if it taps you, stop? 5?
50667.
Well, they got the giggling, don't it, buddy?
Huh?
They gotta get it. That's
Spit it out. Frankenstein.
They got the giggling, don't it, buddy?
No, the 6-7 part it popped out of nowhere on me. Yeah.
Fucking goofball.
Didn't realize it till I said it. Fucking. So stupid.
Shouldn't shot me in the face with a pistol. Now I'm playing a game you've never heard of.
What is it?
Big booty boots.
Yeah, I should have fucking known.
Come on, bruh. You're not a good sport at these games, bro. I love playing big booty, man.
I'd still find a way to free roam it. I'd be running around doing crazy.
Run around doing a whole lot of fucking nothing. What are you talking about, retard?
That's what I do. That's what I do when I play free roam games. I run around and do jack shit.
Because you're fucking autistic.
You give me an objective on a game that's like, if you have an option
he took his fucking head off.
You have an option to do something that's like objective based versus just run around. If we're in the middle of a mission, I'm just gonna start running around. That's all I do.
Where my people at, bro?
I'm no help with that.
My team's fucking gone. Damn, I'm kind of ass too. I just threw a grenade at myself.
Stupid.
Bro, you gonna make me clap your ass? Like, come on, bro.
What game are you actually playing?
Warface Clutch.
Interesting. I've never heard of that. Yeah.
If I knew that. I didn't hear about it either. I just started playing it like a couple days ago or some shit. It's some goofy ass game, but like, it's pretty fun. It's basically like I'm broken down Call of Duty. Without all the sliding and fucking.
Yeah, fucking jetpacks and fucking joyrides.
Yeah. And no fucking super wall run, fucking 360, fucking no scope and eat my ass.
Fucking jump, slide, wall run, 360 dicky down, like.
Yeah. Like,
fucking.
Oh my god, have his dick end up in my ass. Pop your head out again. He took his fucking asshole apart. Let me know in the comments, chat, if you're ready, chat. Straight, are you gonna smoke this kid or am I gonna have to? Good lord. I did it for us. Good teamwork, retard.
Okay, as we get closer to ending this trade off, I'll give another recap again on the bias.
How much would you be up if it hit your finals either?
Hold on. Plus 780 and some change.
What? Oh, he just blew it in my mouth.
So MNQ too. While this is happening, let's take a look at where's my. So entry was all the way up here at 950. Is there an entry anywhere at 950 up here for?
Where's your stock currently at on MES?
69,350. At that most recent high.
And that's where you're at 500 for the day.
Yeah, that'd be over 500. The stop I had it at previously, it would be like $6 and some change over 5. Now it'd be like 10, 15, something like that. Gotta do math. 250, 258. Yeah, it'd be like it'd be right around $15 over. Be like 515 something.
Just kill the kid with a pregnancy.
So what I wanted to show you guys, see if there was an entry for anybody on MNQ. I mean, you can trade you can find a way to trade it, but the way we would, like this right here, for example, we would not trade this, even though the continuation was there. Like your entry on a closed candle would look like that. But in order for it to be a 1-to-1 to your first TP, this is nowhere near it. That's fucking horrible. If you were to trade to this one, then it would be. But again, that's not, it's not what we would like. So like that wouldn't have been an entry for us. Trying to see if there was anything else. Nothing here. This was, again, even if, okay, so two things. First of all, oh, wait a minute. Okay, this was not inverse, actually. You gotta really scroll up. So it wasn't inversed, but again, it would look like, it would look like this. Holy fuck.
I'm 18 and 11, bro. I'm a fucking cop.
It would look like, oh, god damn it. It would look like that. That's fucking horrible. Again, if this was your first TP, if that's the way you trade, then yeah, it would work. It'd be well over a fucking 1-to-1, but that's fucking ridiculous. It's just not the way we do it. Because again, if your bias is so strong and that's your draw, yeah, you can take a 1-to-3, but sometimes you start getting to a point where the movement is just so far, it's like you're becoming more and more unrealistic. Like if you take a 1-to-7, like, come on, the chance of you, like, that's your first take profit. So for you to even get to that point, you're kind of far away, playa. Not kinda, it is. Right now, we are roughly 131 ticks away from that next draw down there. Basically be another big movement like I had to have, like, after it took that, first TP here, we had to have this massive movement down through this range, which was 203 to this one, and then 208 to that one. So we'd have to have another movement like that at about 145 from, or we'll call it from, let's do it from here. From there down to there, 160 to be pretty precise as far as, from that exact line, that draw, that 1 hour draw, that low, to this 4 hour draw, the 4 hour low.
Sitting in my booty. Eating that shit because it's fat.
Okay. I'm gonna set it I'm set at 692525 now. That'll be another. That's 300 flat on my stop. So that would be 556.67 on the day. I'm floating 332.50 though, right around there.
This bug because it's fat. Damn, that nigga dropped that nigga. From a fucking baby boots and my fucking arms fall off.
Hmm.
You even know what I'm talking about, kid?
I don't know.
So baby boo with me.
I don't want to do that if I don't know what it is.
Baby boo, baby boo, baby boo.
Okay, we're gonna inverse this. We might respect equilibrium, maybe. So far, if we get a nice close out of it, that was a nice candle move off of it. Needs to stay that way though. Yeah, don't do that.
Baby fucking boo, baby, baby, baby.
Oh yeah, when are we doing that thing? When are we picking up that shit from Bradenton?
Oh, it's already fucked.
Oh, okay.
Fuck,
And yeah, I did.
I just threw a grenade in my face.
That's foyer.
Y'all think y'all are anything? Eat this ass up. You think you alright? Come eat this booty. You know me, bro. I'm not even taking you like that. Fun.
Here you go. There's a major. I love when people do this. You know, I know it gives them something to do, but it's like, dude, if I go down that street, I'm gonna see it for myself. Like, thanks for warning me, but you don't have to be the neighborhood hero. Someone was like,
there's someone butt booty naked twerking down the road.
Someone said there is a major accident on First Avenue North, reported at 10:20 a.m. Like, okay.
Yeah. Reported, baby.
Like, sure, if I'm going that direction, I guess thanks for warning me, but like, trust me, if it's that big, I'll see it. And then I can fucking redirect myself. I can go down a different road. People got nothing to do.
Trick that ass. So, unless you a real one, I'm trying to see that booty bouncing. Show me that booty bouncing. If you are a real one. That's such a fire song.
So from right here to this 4-hour draw, we're 117 ticks away. We're getting closer and closer. Today is a big downtrend day. My goodness. Here's market, hold on. Here's market open all the way up here. Right here. Let's draw this up. I'm curious.
Ooh, you just got fucked in your ass, player.
From, let's say, what, the close here.
Goofy. You got no goat.
That's roughly how far we've moved today. 440 ticks, somewhere around there. $438. And if
1738.
yeah.
Hey. Clap this ass when you say hello.
And then if we move all the way down to here, it'll be about a 547 tick movement. Same with MNQ. Big ass fucking downtrend today. Here's this for your viewing pleasure. Holy fuck. So, okay. From market open till right about where we're at now, 2,309.
What the fuck is this? This is not the class I wanted, bro.
And if we move all the way down to here, from market open, down to here, it'll be almost 3K, 2962.
This class is dog ass. That's what I said.
Just throwing random fucking pecs in there, just. Oh, God.
Is your stop now at those hours 692025?
No, it's a little lower. I had it at about 691725.
691725.
I like even numbers. That's an exact 340. And then as soon as I have enough movement again down towards that 4 hour, and I'm floating over 400, I'm gonna put it at 400.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Oh, fuck. This kid just slid all on my dick. You munchkin, you know how to eat this cock.
She cracked my back in 15 different places.
Sorry, I keep throwing grenades at myself.
Fucking moron. God, throw a grenade at myself.
Yeah. Y'all think you a real nigga? Come eat this dick up.
Oh,
They
yeah.
call him the Dick King.
Oh yeah, I was out at the land yesterday. I found some. There's this like family. It was like this dad. I'm not. This is not a joke here. I'm not. So don't fucking don't come up with some joke to fucking make. This is actually, I did something nice. Okay.
Yeah, cap, fucking cap.
The father, he had his little boy. His name was Colton, and he was fucking full of energy. Colton with a C.
Yeah, Colton. Yeah.
He was a G. I gave him a spare pair of my moto gloves for free. Fucking.
Oh, you're fucking a saint, bro. We jerk you off later.
Made him super happy.
We jerk your cock in oblivion.
Thanks, bro.
Fucking goofball. Fuck. Don't ever talk like that.
At least I didn't get fucked doing that that stupid little scheme you had me fucking put money into with those cheerleaders.
Yeah, it was little kids, bro. It's not like they were fucking grown-ass cheerleaders. Fuck, I wasn't falling for that little shit. Because I knew little fucking creepy uncles and shit would be like, yeah, bro, I'll get you money, bro.
About to get stopped out. Don't do it! No, stop!
It's about to fall right now. Fall. Imagine.
Order filled.
Okay. 590, almost 600. Damn, I should have honestly set it a little bit tighter, but whatever. 596.30 on the day. Sorry, Ty. So, quick recap on the buys real quick. Entry, first of all, I'll just go over this because since I'm already on this screen. So, hold on. What am I looking at here? Okay, yeah. Okay, so first off, risk reward perfect, 1 to 1.3. That's beautiful. I chose this. Chose this entry rather than off of that candle, just because I think this candle closed. This candle closed. It was moving quite quick, like right after the close, and I calculated the contracts already, but then this candle shot down, and I entered right about there, like right where that 698525, so right underneath of this Asian low. First TP was targeting the 4-hour draw that hadn't been taken yet, which it ended up taking at 9:54. The bias was, of course, shorts today. And this was pretty perfect continuation. Got lucky enough that that draw hadn't been taken, because if that draw had been taken, it would have been, I don't know, I really would have probably stopped looking, although, like I showed you a couple other places you could have entered, like here's a possible entry, I believe. Let me double check. Yes, this here is an entry, and that, honestly, that was good movement. You could have taken that. I probably would have taken that. So anyway, I think this was the best case scenario, that we got lucky enough this 4-hour draw was not taken, and we had the opportunity to do so. So with that, let's go to the 4-hour real quick on both. Let me kind of refresh my memory about what I was looking at here. So MNQ was in an uptrend. MES was already in a downtrend. What I did notice, though, to kind of help further my bearish bias, even though MNQ, even though there was a discrepancy with both of them being on the higher time frame in opposite trends, this candle was already starting to push down, showing good. God damn it! What's all that background noise?
Sorry, I was fucking stretching, nigga.
Okay, your exhale sounded like fucking you were in a wind tunnel.
Never do it again. Never do it again.
So anyway, this was already showing good bearish pressure at the time, and I was waiting, not waiting for it to close, of course, because then I wouldn't have been able to enter at where I entered at. But this was looking good. I had a good feeling it was going to take some of these draws, and also not only do that, but close, of course, into a downtrend. Now, on MES, okay, it's already in a downtrend, so that helps. Then this candle, this 2 o'clock one, swept this high out here, and then we also had an inverse of this. So even though, okay, so actually before this wasn't an uptrend at this point, right in this area, what pushed us into that downtrend, we inversed and broke structure at the same time there. That was looks like yesterday, more so yesterday. And then, so with that inverse and that break of structure, we were in the downtrend now at that point, came up, did not break this high. Early this morning, we swept it and started to push back lower. So that alone on the 4-hour made me think bearish, especially on MES too. And then I was just kind of waiting for MNQ to catch up, but didn't take the trade on there. We closed bearish on both. Breaking the downtrend into a downtrend on MNQ, continuing the downtrend on MES. Now with the 1-hour. Oh, and did I mention? I think there were. I might be wrong. Oh yeah, here we go. So I might not have mentioned this, but I know I saw it subconsciously earlier when maybe I didn't say it. So there were more gaps to fill. And another gap, smaller one here, that was respected multiple times and was not yet inversed, which it ended up doing that. So we inversed this other 4-hour gap and then went down and filled this massive 4-hour gap here. Same with looks like this one. So there was a lot of stuff that you could fill here. Yep, got that one too. So now, and same of course over here on MNQ. Like this wasn't inversed yet. There were some other smaller gaps in between, a lot of stacked gaps, and then this bigger one down here. Now for the 1 hour, at the time, MES was not, looked like bolt, yeah, I'll double check MNQ. So at least for now, I know MES. Okay, it was not in a downtrend at the time until this candle closed at, would that be 10? Or no, yeah. The 9 o'clock one here, okay. They closed at that time. So we were in the uptrend, it broke, inversed a bunch of gaps, that helped. Now it wasn't inverse at the time of the entry, of course, but what I was looking at was just the strength of the candle, the pressure it had. It was looking good at the time of entry, so I was confident in doing so. Same thing with MNQ, everything was matching up perfectly. Again, we were in an uptrend on on MNQ that looked like a break of structure, but if you look close enough, it's not. And let me make this the proper color just for the example purpose here. So it did not break. It did with this though, and again, at the time of entry, this was not closed yet, but it looked great. That's pretty much it. Now, what I can say, and okay, also too, everything on the lower time frame, 15 and 5, looked good while I was doing so. It was respecting off of a gap here. Everything was matching up. It was respecting off of this here and into a downtrend already. Okay, so that helped me make my decision as well. Now, what I will say for the longs is I really wasn't open. I really wasn't open to them at all, to be honest. I would have been okay to follow the MNQ trend and maybe want to try and go break structure again and take the top draws on MES if we had stayed. Where's the market open again here? Like I was open to the longs, considering sweeping maybe London and coming back up and taking the top draws, and then as long as that followed with MNQ, like taking Asian and then taking the longs. But overall, what I had found is that there were just too many things pointing to the downside that I liked more, like way more. So therefore, and then again, the further you get from those draws up there, the less you're going to have the opportunity to take that trade up there anyway. So I didn't really like that much at all. I preferred the shorts 100%. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go back to the 1 minute for 2 seconds here just to look at where it's at. So it stopped me out here. It's continuing lower, and at the current state of where price is at, you're about 95 ticks away from that other draw, which I bet you it'll fucking hit sooner than later. So that is it. Any final words? Yeah.
If you a thick dude, just embrace that shit. You're fat, like.
If you look up the BBL jersey,
Send pics if you can.
Just know there's other people out there like you.
You got a fat ass as a dude, embrace that shit. Go some ass, bro. Stop talking it all.
Okay, that's enough. We out. All right.